Hey all, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, I discussed what is GIS and what are the 5 components of GIS. In today's video, I will be discussing about the types of data in GIS. So let's get started. So to start with, GIS data are of two types, spatial data and non-spatial data. When I talk about spatial data, it is going to give me the proper location of any feature. But when I talk about non-spatial data, it is going to tell me the characteristic of it. It is going to tell me what? The characteristics of it. So the spatial data describes the absolute and the relative location of geographic feature. So say for example, what do I mean by absolute and relative? Barabar? When I talk about absolute location, it means that it is going to give me the fixed position. Say like what is the position of say a building, so it is going to give me the latitude and the longitude, correct position of it. Okay, when I talk about relative location, it is like ki you are 10 kilometers away from Mulund railway station. So with respect to something else, it is going to give me the location. समझ में आ रहा है? Absolute location is going to give you the clear cut location of that place or wherever you are, but relative location is with respect to something else, like it is going to take support of something else and give you the location. जैसे मैंने बोला ना 10 kilometers away from Mulund railway station, या you are 5 meters away from this particular clinic. So with respect to that clinic, it is going to tell me कि okay you are 5 kilometers away, right? So that is what is relative location. तो ये हो गया spatial data, मतलब ये हमको proper locations के बारे में बता रहा है, right? जब हम नॉन स्पेशल डेटा की बात करते हैं या एट्रीब्यूट डेटा की बात करते हैं, ये हमको कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताएगा. ओके, कुछ पोजीशंस नहीं बताएगा बट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. जैसे मैं आपको एग्जांपल दो, देखो ये क्वांटिटेटिव एंड क्वालिटेटिव होगा नेचर में, एंड मोस्टली दे आर रेफर टू एज टैबुलर डेटा. So if I want to give you an example, see like census is taken every 10 year, right? So that is spatial data कि ये particular location में this much is the population, in this area this much is the population and all, right? So that is spatial data. But if I talk कि एक family में कितने member रह रहे हैं, what is the person's height, what is the gender of the person and all. So these things, these characteristics are irrespective of location. Like wherever you go, these things are not going to change, right? Person's height ho gaya, the gender ho gaya, they're not going to change. They are just like independent of that location, correct? So that is what is non-spatial data. मैंने characteristics बताया. So spatial data is actually going to give you the proper location, be it absolute or relative. लेकिन नॉन स्पेशल डेटा आपको कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताएगा, उसका लोकेशन से कुछ मतलब नहीं होगा, पर हाँ उस रीजन का या वो जोग्राफिक लोकेशंस का वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स बताएगा. दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ नॉन स्पेशल डेटा. ओके, यू कैन फॉर्म इट इनटू टैबुलर डेटा एज वेल. सो इट कैन लाइक non-spatial data can include like hierarchical databases or relational databases and all. Okay, so we are going to see in detail about spatial data. Spatial data can be categorized or classified as vector data, raster data and image data. When I talk about vector data, it's the data that can be represented by dot, line and polygon. A point, line and polygon. The map which you are seeing, the things on the map can be represented by dot, line and polygon. That goes with the vector model. When you talk about raster data, it is you are making grids. You are taking the data by pixel value or by grid value. When I talk about image data, it is going to give you the graphic data or the pictorial representation. That is what is image data. So I will give you an example of this. See, vector data, a land area is here, a portion of land is given here. As you are able to see, here this is the river, yeah, and these are certain buildings or the area, right? So ये vector data है. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो चीज़ें हैं वो मैंने lines या polygons के रूप में I have just plotted. So for example like कुछ city हो गया, या आप कोई एक point visit कर रहे हो, तो in the Google map you are finding that thing as a point, right? You want to visit to a college, that will be shown by a point. Okay, cities are there, so cities, buildings, all this can be represented by dot, so that is a vector data. Say lines are there, so this river is represented by a line, and you can say roads can be represented by line, flyovers can be represented by line, so that is a vector data present using polygons and all, like garden is there, lake is there, right? So those can be the vector data. अभी रास्टर डेटा मतलब यही जो मैप है, आप उसको ग्रिड्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हो, आप पिक्सल वाइज उसका डेटा कंसिडर कर रहे हो. जैसे आप देख रहे हो, योर द रिवर इज टेकन पिक्सल वाइज, यस, दैट इज द एंटायर मैप इज डिवाइडेड इनटू ग्रिड्स and then the data is considered. That is what is raster data. Simple. Vector datas are the datas that can be represented by dot, line, polygon, and like the data will be taken from where, the map, the real world, right? एंड रास्टर डेटा भी रियल वर्ल्ड का डेटा को आप ग्रिड्स में डिवाइड करके रेफर करोगे, दैट इज़ रास्टर डेटा. यहाँ पे देखो दिया हुआ है, लाइक दिस इज़ अ रियल वर्ल्ड हाउ इट लुक्स. दिस can be the land usage that is shown, like okay, green color you can understand ki here would be vegetations and all. The brown color you can understand that there would be mountain ranges. This gray color you can understand that it would be a river, right? So that is what is the land usage shown with raster data. Elevations can be shown by raster data, like how elevated the areas are. Then again see the customers whoever are there, or the house are there, houses or the cities are there, that can be represented like this by dot and all. So that is a vector data. When you talk about streets and all, that is represented by lines all over, that is again a vector data. So I hope that you would have understood vector data, raster data, and image data. Image data is a simple pictorial data that is there. So thank you all for watching. Keep supporting. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends so that they also get to know these things, and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Press the bell notification so that you never miss any update. Take care. Bye.